I have a 1992 Honda Prelude, and for the past 7 or 8 years I haven't been able to switch on my heater control panel from the face to the floor to the defrosters to the heater, whatever. But I recently found out that this is a common problem with this model year, and I've also recently discovered how to fix it. If you remove the circuit board, which is what controls the control panel, and there is a set of prongs here that you'll have to resolder because they've all become cracked. And then here, 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 and here for the respective buttons. Now I've soldered all these points, and we're going to put it back in the car and find out if I fixed it. Alright, I have the console back in, and we're going to see if all of the buttons work. I have not tested this yet, so this is going to be as a surprise to me as it is to you if it works. And that is a positive test. All of the buttons work. They haven't worked in 7 or 8 years. I don't know. It's been since right after I got the car. So I'm excited. I have a 1992 Honda Prelude. Jesus Christ. Okay, what is it? As soon as I start filming, these cars go non-stop.